let's talk about the 4 untold safeguards to protect your account at all times. Number 1, and this is so underrated, leave reviews for all products on your Amazon account. All products. Every single product we purchase from Amazon, I go in and just leave a review. Sometimes it's like 2 lines. I probably just hit the star rating on some products or something. But every single product we leave a review for. Why? We need to show Amazon that my account leaves reviews. It's what I do. There are people who literally leave 50 to 60 reviews of products on Amazon every day, right? Those Amazon influencers, or not every day, sorry, every week. Amazon influencers, people who do a crap ton of shopping, like people leave more reviews than you think, right? But they're leaving proper reviews, right? They're verified purchases, right? They're writing a couple lines, like they're real reviews. That's the difference. 3-to-1 rule, verified to unverified. I'll get 3 verified reviews for every 1 verified review that I do. So 3 verified, 1 unverified. There's no, I made this up. It's just what feels comfortable and feels right for me, and it's always worked for me. So like, you know, take it as you will, but that's just the formula that's worked for me. I won't just do a whole bunch of unverified reviews. I think that's just asking for trouble. Like I said, and I'm gonna hammer this point home, always leave reviews via your Kindle app when using Kindle Unlimited or verified purchase. Just always, like, I guess verified purchase is not as, like, you could also go into your dashboard and or your Amazon shopping account under orders and leave reviews there, I believe. But like, I just always do it all through the Kindle app because it shows all the page reads. And you're just feeding the proper data in Amazon. And then go in waves. Okay, go in waves. When I said I go hard during lunches, then I usually just chill for like a week or 2, right? Where I'm not really doing anything. Or I might be getting like 5 in a week or something like that, right? Focused on some other books or something like that. But yeah, go in waves.